Well guys, let's just start by saying welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share this video with your friends. This video mainly consists of different clips that were lost. I would call them lost files because, well, I'm not going to lie, they were in my phone and obviously they were lost in there because, well, I take a lot of pictures and I do a lot of videos. So this video is from like 2019, probably like mid 2019. So I just decided to put them together and post the video. And as you can clearly see, this Grand Vitara is an older model. This Grand Vitara is just filled with mold everywhere. The client bought the vehicle from someone. I assume they tried to clean it before. I think everything was left wet based on what I was told, and they went away. When they came back, this is how they met the vehicle. So there's mold everywhere, in the seats, on the floor, on the panels, on the roof. Everywhere there is mold. And clearly, I missed when Sean was cleaning the seat. So this is about all the clip I have of the cleaning seat-wise. I was doing something else, and by the time I came back, he was already finished, basically.